زه لږ مړۍ غواړم. I want some food. I want some food. زه غواړم چې یو څه وخورم. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. له تا سره. With you. With you. له چا سره. With whom. With whom. ایا ستا کور له دې ځای څخه لرې ده؟ Is your house far from here? Is your house far from here? زه د سهار موږ د سهار ناشته کوو. We are having breakfast now. We are having breakfast now. موږ لږ مړۍ غواړو. We want some bread. We want some bread. دا له دې ځای څخه لرې نه ده. It is not far from here. It is not far from here. ته موټر لرې یا تا سره موټر شته؟ Do you have a car? Do you have a car? نه زه موټر نه لرم یا زما سره موټر نشته. No, I don't have a car. No, I don't have a car. زه فکر کوم چې زه یې پېژنم. I think I know. I think I know. زه اوس ځم. I'm going now. I am going now. په ما ناوخته کېږي. I am getting late. I am getting late. زما سره احسان وکړه یا نیکي را سره وکړه. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. په زل خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. بانې مه کوه. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. داسې نه ده. It is not like that. It is not like that. هیڅ کله هم نه. Not at all. Not at all. زه هیڅ هم نه لرم یا زما سره یو شی هم نشته. I have got nothing. I have got nothing. ما ته د دې باره کې یو څه ووایه. Tell me about that. Tell me about that. ګروپ بل کړه یا د څراغ روښانه کړه. نو په انګلیش کې به وایو switch on the light. Switch on the light. Switch on پرېزل ورب ده معنی ده بلول روښانول یا چلندول. نن کومه ورځ ده یا نن د څه ورځ ده؟ What is the day today? What is the day today? نن د جمعې ورځ ده. It is Friday today. It is Friday today. غوسه کېږه مه. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. زه څه کولی شم درته؟ What can I do? What can I do? زه تا ته ضرورت لرم. I need you. I need you. وشرمېږه. Shame on you. Shame on you. ته اوس تللی شې. You can go now. You can go now. څنګه چې د ستا خوښه وي. As you wish. As you wish. هلته څوک ده؟ Who is there? Who is there? د دیر معنی ده هلته.